Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the ASUS couldn't find drives when installing Windows 11 or 10. So it's a can happen because you clearly install your Windows. It be like this. There is no drive on your laptop or PC. So firstly, you can go to asus.com. You can download the IRST first. Here we go. Intel Rapid Storage Technology, Intel RST driver. So you can download it and put on USB flash drive that contain Windows 11 or 10. After that, you can follow this step. So here we go. You can connect the USB flash drives containing in the Windows 11 or 10 installation media and the extracted Intel Rapid IRST that I mentioned before. Please extract it into your flash drive and then proceed with the Windows 11 or 10 installation process again. And here we go, select browse and find the folder where you extracted the RST driver earlier. Select the RST folder, then click OK. Select Intel RC VMD controller, click Next. Start installing the driver. Once the driver installation is complete, the disk drive will be displayed normally. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.